that might be that one Forrester that's super loud.
Yeah. Yep. Oh. Oh, dude, there we go.
Not quite. It's louder than you think. There he is!
Apparently everybody's going to Bonfire Alley. The road down there is taken up. Good thing I have a tiny car, because like, that's the intersection. And we're in here. Good enough.
Okay. You're gonna see my game. One and done.